Wednesday the 3rd of August 2016 and about to go to Bourke and Louth, and the Wallace is late again.
That's why you were smiling.
David?
Millmerran.
First stop, lunch. And it's freezing. What's the temperature,
10
Eunice?
degrees.
How many?
10.
10.
-2.
Setting up camp for the first time. Too wet, so everyone's decided on camping in this room. And one double and 2 bunks. So that'll be great. First night out camping. Saturday morning the 6th of August and we're heading to 2016. We're on the road to Louth.
The white men placed pebbles under their tongues.
We've arrived at Louth for the Louth races. Random breath test as you enter town. It's 11:30. Shindy's in and will be the centre of, apart from the race course, there'll be a lot more people to come. Okay. It's midday and the races start at 1. Traffic's lining up. The grounds around the race course look like they're absolutely packed. As far as the eye can see. Well, entry, 20 bucks a head, $5 for the program. General car park, and we're camping here for lunch. We'll attend the races and then we'll be heading home. There'll be a lot of activity here tonight. Corporate boxes, Louth, well actually more like personal ones that you must pay for. More market, upmarket corporate box. Looking to the hill. We've only had one race so far. Just a glorious day here. I think we have a winner. So we had our money on Rusty Motorbike for the Louth race. Came in home first. All looking good. Second last camping day, but this is typical. David, first time he's cleaned his teeth on the trip. It's the biggest lot of emus we've seen. Good on you.